Welcome, my dear friends. I'm Srilata, and I'll be speaking about can we really earn from network marketing? So, here I am telling you about the reality that I was exposed to do in the past few months, and I'll be telling you how we could get money from network marketing or we cannot. So, I would like to tell you that I am associated with Vestige Marketing Private Limited since January 2021, and I could do business only in February 2021. As I was said, the first level of income would come from the retail profit, that is the discounted price I would get on each item I purchase on Vestige Marketing. So that was the first thing. Second thing, I was told that we get cashback for purchasing some items. However, in the market, whenever I go for shopping or I go to the malls or online I purchase, so I see that I don't get any cashbacks there. All I get is a discount or free shipping or some promotional product. So this was a new concept I heard and thought that let me try about it. How would it go? So the first level of income, as I said, retail profit was given to me. I was given at a discounted price where which I really get it from other sources as well. But now the cashback. So how do I get the cashback in Vestige Marketing? So when I saw that, I was told that whatever I shop, I would get the cashback. So there were two ways of earning the cashbacks in shopping with Vestige. One was the cashback from whatever I purchased from Vestige, and the second was the cashback from the people whom I referred to Vestige, whom I sponsored to Vestige. Even when they shop, I would get a cashback from their shopping as well. Okay, so during last month, February 2021, I purchased few products from Vestige in three different invoices. I took three different phases and I purchased few products from Vestige, and I could make up PV up to 218. So my group PV, which means the downlines added under me were two people. Those two people could shop to a certain level and make up to 1205 PV. So entire group PV was 1205. So what products I purchased were mainly home care, personal care, and a few supplements. So I'm showing you the list of products that I purchased during the last month in three different invoices. So my total shopping bill was around 7,016 rupees, and the PV accounted up to 218.89. Okay, so now I want to tell you a difference here, like what was my PV and the group PV. My PV was about completely about the shopping I personally did on Vestige, whereas group PV was the total PV that was generated or the total PV that was accumulated by the shopping of the entire downlines who were registered under me. So now, as I told, there were only two downlines in the month of February. So there, one downline, downline A, I could say, did a PV of 668, and he immediately got converted from 5% cashback to 8% cashback. Then downline B also did some personal shopping, and he accumulated around 318 PV, and he also entered 8% level because at a stretch, if you purchase 282 PV worth products, then obviously you will be shifted from 5% level to 8% level. 5% level is the first level of cashbacks you get from Vestige. So immediately you can start fast in entering the business by doing the 282 points at a stretch. So my group PV would be my personal PV plus my downlines PV. As I told earlier, I got 1205.25 PV in my group, including my personal PV. So since it was already greater than 282, my level got even I entered into 8% category. So now at this point of time, I would like to tell you that myself and my downlines, all three of us were in 8% cashback level. Okay, so how did I earn cashback from my shopping? So in February, my PV was 218.89. So cashback is always calculated as your business volume. So business volume, for that business volume, you will be either getting 5% cashback, 8% cashback, 10% cashback, or 11% cashback. So now what is this business value? Business volume is nothing but your point value multiplied by 18. So my cashback was calculated as 218 into 18, and since I was in 8% category already, so 8% cashback would be feasible there, out of which I got it 316 rupees. So now I should see that whether this 316 would really come to my account. So I waited. So as long as February month was running, we did all the business, and we were totally waiting for March 10th to see that whether these cashbacks will really come to the account. So now I'll show you what was the cashbacks earned by my downlines. So my downline A has made 668 PV shopping, and was an 8% level, and his cashback was 962 rupees as calculated. Downline B had done 318 PV shopping, and he also was an 8% level, and his cashback was around 459 rupees. So I would like to show you this particular point where we can earn from the downlines as well, provided the downline percentage level should be less than your percentage level. In my case, as I said, all three of us were in 8%, because cashback from downlines is calculated as the difference in the levels multiplied by the PV done by the downline into 18, that is the factor value for business volume. Okay, so in both the cases of my downlines, since all the three of us were in 8%, I could not earn any cashback from my downlines. However, I was eligible to get a cashback from my shopping, and my downlines were eligible to get a cashback from their shopping. Okay, so I have only 316 rupees in my account to be deposited. So that is from my Vestige account, I should be getting a 316 rupees to my personal SB account. So I received a message on 10th March saying that 316 rupees has been transferred and shall reflect within 24 hours in your account. So I am showing here the SMS I received from Vestige. So you can see that other than that also I got some more messages from Vestige, but please concentrate on the last one, which shows that it has been transferred. So my app also showed me that 316 was the bonus that I received for the month of February 2021. Also I am showing here the transfer details where the amount was transferred and on what date it was transferred. So it also shows that 10th March. So on 10th March itself, I got a income here to my SB account, 316 rupees, and it also shows me Vestige Marketing Private Limited to Srilata VK. So it has transferred 316 rupees. Vestige has done this job, and it has transferred me 316 rupees, and it is reflecting in my bank statement. So now I can proudly say that I can conclude that it is really true that you can earn from a network marketing. Yes, I have earned my first cashback from network marketing. No doubt, the same 7,000 and odd, if I would have purchased somewhere else, I would have not bought this 300 rupees, 300 plus rupees as cashback. So however, I sat at home, did my shopping. I got it at a discounted price. I did not go anywhere. I saved the fuel. I saved my time. I saved my energy in doing other things, and I got the product. See the benefits here. You have a lot of benefits, and at the same time you have the cashback also that has come to your account directly. So in the long run, if you see whatever has Vestige has promised, like 4 months consecutively, if you purchase, then definitely 5th month you will be getting a cashback bonus vouchers. All this is So tune in to know more. Join me to earn more. Okay, so I'll be posting such videos of my experiences with Vestige and help you know the things in a better way. Okay, see you. Bye bye. See you in the next episode.